Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix can't join friends Minecraft game on PS5. Press the PlayStation button from the controller, then go to Home and press the Start button. Then click on Close Game. Now press the Start button from the controller on the game. Now click on Upload, Download Save Data. Now click on Upload, then click on Select and Upload. Now select the Minecraft checkboxes. Now click on Upload. Now click on Apply to All. Then click on Yes. Now go to Home and go to Settings. Then go to Save Data and Game App Settings. Now click on Save Data PS4. Then click on Upload or Delete from Console Storage. Then go to Delete. Now select the Minecraft. Then go to Delete and click on it. Now click on Down or Delete Friends Cloud Storage. Now select Minecraft and click on Download. By following the steps, you can fix Can't Join Friends Minecraft game on PS5.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.